What it's all about, and we are heading to Texas today and have a lot of fun things planned, like camping on the beach.
A little chilly here though. I'm thinking about heading back to Florida. Can we turn this ship around?
Yep. Anyway, we'll bring you with us.
Places I've ever seen jalapeno infused ice cream.
I got the this one's the I got the raspberry. This one's raspberry, but it has some kind of sauce in it. You don't taste it right away, and it sneaks up on you. It tastes like ice cream at first, and then it sneaks up on you. Now I'm gonna try the jalapeno ice cream, which scares me a little bit. Definitely like the raspberry one better.
Jalapeno.
It's really good, right?
You get the great cayenne flavor in ice cream. Never had it before. Go with the Bloody Mary. Woo. That packs a punch. It's delicious though, I gotta say. Great tomato and spice. She's about to have her first Bloody Mary. She's almost 50 and she's having her first Bloody Mary. I can't believe it.
Oh, I'm scared. Okay. It's okay. Spicy. Woo. Oh my goodness, it's spicy.
They have a spicy mix and a mild mix, and I did 50-50, so it's still fairly spicy.
Thank God you didn't do all spicy.
So we got a little sample of some chicken fingers and fries, and we're gonna try all the different sauces they have. Look at them all. Exciting.
My mouth is on fire. Everything is burning. But my favorite one was the buffalo.
My favorite was the Family Reserve. It's a nice blend of heat and mild. I loved it. My favorite.
Harvest Coast that we were staying at tonight, and it's called Pine Tree, and they're having their little Mardi Gras celebration today. More Mardi Gras for us, but anyway, I just ordered a lemon drop flight, which I've never had before, so I'm gonna try this out and see what it's like.
Looks good.
Joe had the Bloody Mary today. Now it's my turn to have something fun. What is it?
So here at the Pine Tree Lodge, you get a token with your beer. Pretty cool. Never seen that before.